Hi everyone, I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. If you have speakers that don't have a Bluetooth input, you can add Bluetooth capability to these speakers very easily and without breaking the bank. I'm gonna show you how to do this in this video on my Edifier R1280TS speakers that have only two RCA inputs. And I'm gonna be also performing a sound test with a direct connection to RCA to these speakers and with the Bluetooth capability that I'm gonna be adding to these speakers to see if this Bluetooth will affect the sound quality that the speakers produce. So to show you all this, I'm gonna bring the camera up close and show you everything you need to purchase and how to connect everything. The first item you need to get is a Bluetooth receiver. So this is a Bluetooth receiver that I got from eBay for only $2. It is a receiver and also it is a transmitter. But in this video, we're gonna use the receiver mode only. It comes with a 3.5mm cable. The second item you need to get, and this is only if your speakers have RCA inputs like the Edifiers. So notice on the back on the Edifier, they have only RCA inputs. So for this, I need a cable that connects 3.5mm to RCA. So this is also an adapter cable. It costs almost like $1. And I'm gonna leave a link for all these items in the description below. And the third item you need is a 5-volt adapter in case you don't have a 5-volt adapter laying around. Any 5-volt adapter, USB adapter will do the job, even if you have an empty USB port on your TV or on your PC and they are close to the receiver. You can just plug it in the TV or the PC and it will work. But here I got an adapter. So also I'm gonna leave a link for this adapter in the description below. And all these items that I showed you don't cost even $10. So let me show you how to connect all this. I'm gonna turn my Edifier speaker. This is the active speaker, of course. You need to make the connection on the active speaker. So you see on the back of the Edifier, you have the RCA inputs. The first thing you need to do is to connect the RCA cable to your speaker. Of course, if you don't have an RCA input on your speaker, for instance, like this PreSonus Aries, it has 3.5mm auxiliary input in the front. You can directly use the auxiliary input that comes with the Bluetooth receiver without going through the RCA connection. But here we have an RCA connection. So the RCA connection, choose one of the connections here and always respect the polarity. So here I'm gonna put, of course, the white in the white and the red in the red. Now the next step is to connect the 3.5mm jack that comes with the Bluetooth receiver to the RCA connector here and make sure it goes in all the way. So now it is connected. And the third step is to connect the 3.5mm jack, the other end of it, to the Bluetooth receiver. Just make sure it goes all the way. And now we need to connect the Bluetooth receiver to the 5-volt adapter. And then we need to power it. So this is a power here. I'm gonna show you how to put the Bluetooth in receiver mode because it comes in transmitter and receiver mode. And this is the case for most Bluetooth dongles like this. So I'm gonna put it here, power it on. And once it is powered on, you notice this blue light here that it is blinking. So it means that it is in receiver mode. And this is what we need. So in case it is in transmitter mode, I'm gonna put it in transmitter mode. So it blinks red. We need to put it in receiver mode. So press this button here for 3 seconds and it will go into receiver mode and it is blinking blue. So now it is ready to pair. I'm gonna power up the speakers and I'm gonna show you now on my smartphone how to connect to this receiver and we're gonna perform a sound test. So go to the Bluetooth configuration of your device. And here let's search for the device. This device is called wireless music adapter. So it might be different if you purchase another device. So I'm gonna tap on it and I'm gonna tap on pair and now it is connected. And notice when the Bluetooth connection is established, the blue light will stop blinking and it becomes solid blue. Now that the speakers are connected to my phone with a Bluetooth connection, I'm gonna be performing a brief sound test and I'm gonna follow it directly afterwards with a direct connection with RCA on my smartphone so that we can compare both sounds. So let me start with the sound test.
As you fade away, as you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect the speakers from the Bluetooth adapter and connect them directly to my smartphone. And we need to turn off the speakers first. And let me connect them directly to my phone and play the same song.
As you fade away, as you fade away,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm
So really there is no sound difference between the Bluetooth connection and the direct RCA connection. And I didn't expect that this small Bluetooth device that costs only $2 will give this quality of sound. So I'm very happy with this small device, and I remind you that if you want to check out this device, the adapter, or all the cables that I used, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description below. So this is an eBay affiliate link. I'm gonna also leave some links for Amazon. It's a bit more expensive on Amazon, but you receive it much faster, of course. So that was it for this video. I hope that this video was useful to you and it will help you in connecting your analog speakers to a Bluetooth connection. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.